What's up, guys and gals? Today is Monday, which is the day we spin the Wheel of Names, right? And we give away some prizes. So this is a daily and weekly contest that's running until March the 8th, Monday, March the 8th. And if you're not familiar with the contest I'm talking about, we have going on, I've decided to write a book. I don't know. Yeah, I've decided to write a book. In my book writing journey, my goal is to write 1,000 words a day from January 1 until March the 8th. So by March 8th, I'll have enough words written down for my draft to be completed, right? So the contest is daily. You can go to w2capitalist.com/contest. You enter how many words you think I'm going to write for that day, right? You can enter multiple times per day. There's some interesting strategies going on about that. And we're playing by the Price is Right rules, right? So the closest without going over wins. And what you're going to win for the daily giveaway is a 30-minute virtual session with me to talk about whatever's on your mind, right? Now, there are some fan favorites, and these individuals are all adopting a similar strategy, right? They enter a low number, they enter a mid-range number, and they enter a high number. And you can do that too. You can enter multiple times a day, right? It's part of the rules. To give you an update on where I'm at the end of yesterday. So at the end of yesterday was day 24th, January 24th, right? I should have had 24,000 words written, and I'm a little off that pace. I'm at a little over 20,000 words, almost 21,000. Let's say almost 21,000. So I have to step it up here, right? And guys, writing is hard. Writing is hard, y'all. It's especially difficult for me and my engineering and mathematical brain, right? As I'm trying to figure out just the right thing to say. That I felt that perfectionism creeping up a little bit that I'm trying to just squash down. And that's why, you writing coaches and English folk, you might be excited to know that I've now have created an outline. That was one of the things that I wanted to do to help kill that perfectionist in me, is have an outline and try to stick to that outline, because that's just not a writing style that I can do. I've been through middle school, I've been through high school, been through college. They all follow the same format, and it was just didn't work for me, right? Now, I have one, right? But I wrote about 15,000 words before I created this outline, and I felt I was going to start doubling some of my work effort. And I have to say, it was pretty exciting to see. It was pretty exciting to see kind of everything to come together and kind of create the outline. But let's give away some prizes, all right? So here's what I want to do. Today, I want to give away one book. It's a winner's choice, but it does have to be on the topic of real estate investing, mindset, or building a business, okay? So one book, and also we'll do some swag from the W2 Capitalist store. So let's do a t-shirt, right? Which the new ones are in. Yeah, they're in. They're in. I've got to get busy shipping them out. But the new ones are in, and if you haven't seen those, this is what they look like. Super comfortable, super almost a buttery feel t-shirt. It's super awesome, super comfortable. Keep your momentum. That's the tagline for this year, right? Is to carry whatever momentum that you have, keep it going, right? Keep your momentum. So that's kind of what they look like. And if you don't win here today, you can order yours at the w2capitalist.com/shop, which a lot of you have. I know if you're watching this, you've ordered a shirt. They're coming. They're actually here. I got to get busy shipping them out. So last week, let me address this first before we spin. Last week, I promised to give away a $100 Amazon gift card for every 50 unique registrations, and we did not hit that. So I'm going to do the same for this week, right? For every 50 unique registrations that comes into w2capitalist.com/contest, I'll give away a $100 Amazon gift card. So if we have 100 unique registrations, then that's $200 worth of Amazon gift cards, right? So it's a little incentive there for you to share this with your friends. All right, let's spin. Let's start doing this. This is what you guys are watching for, right? Is to see if you win. So here's what I'm doing. You'll see that before we get into this is what I want to talk about. Before we get into this, you're going to see names like Owen, Tom, and Erica multiple times. Matter of fact, they pretty much take up the entire wheel because they have been religious about entering their guests daily, and not only just entering their guests daily, but entering multiple guesses per day, right? Back to that low number, mid number, and high number. You can do that too. That's part of the rules, right? You can do that too. In every entry, every time you go and do that throughout the week, that's going to get you a wedge on the wheel of names because we're gonna spin it, right? So, all right, let's do this. Let's give away a book and some W2 Cap swag. So the first up, I'm going to give the book away, right? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's see who's the winner. Looks like I'm going to wait for the official Owen K. All right, Owen. We're going to remove you from here. And we're going to spin again. This person's going to get the T-shirt of their choice, even though the 2021s are here, from the W2 Capitalist Swag Store. So let's do that. I'm going to bet it's Tom. Oh, that's funny. Tom, congratulations, sir. I will follow up with you to get your T-shirt size and all that good stuff. And we'll go from there. Guys, congrats, Owen. Congrats, Tom. I'm going to email you the details that you use with the email you registered with. And I'm really liking this whole contest thing. So we're going to get it. We're going to keep doing this from now until March the 8th, which, wow, that is only like 5 weeks away. That's crazy. It's going to be Christmas before we know it. All right, guys, have a great day. I will see you later. And don't forget, go to w2capitalist.com/contest and be sure to enter as many guesses as you want.